Shit, I'm gonna wear this around my room like a cape. What's poppin', fam goons? Welcome back to my channel for another video. And if you're new here, hit that sub button. I got 2 packages in from Sniper Gang that I'm gonna unbox for you guys. Before we get into all that, I just want to say thank you to everybody that has liked, commented, and subscribed to all my videos. You guys are the realest. I literally have 101 likes on one of my videos with no dislikes, and to me, that's a big deal, so I appreciate you guys. Now, let's get into it. Roll that intro.
On my side is getting wicked, nigga slide. Mama told that boy to shake the city, so he ride. On that Mac, it be a titty, show no pity when we dive. Roll your brother in the gang before he hitting, why you hiding? OG now be dropping bags, no I don't, bitch, why you lying?
Alright guys, so I got 2 packages here. I've had this one for a while, but I've been holding it because I know it's something small, so we'll do this one first. This one I've been actually waiting on, and I'm kind of excited to have this one. Got my scissors here. Usually we would be doing this on my desk, but I'm kind of tired of doing stuff on my desk, and plus it's pretty dirty right now. We got the green wristband. We got another Glee sticker. See, we don't be getting these a lot, but lately in the last few packages we have gotten like the Glee stickers, so that's pretty cool. Alright, in this package all we have is the page. They're like little page markers. We have the Heartbroken Bear right here. I don't know if you guys can really see that with the plastic on it. You know, I be reading and stuff sometimes, man. I don't really be finishing the books, but I be reading nonetheless. So, you know, I can be marking my pages with this, and I be writing too for like YouTube videos and stuff like that. So, you know, I be using the little Sniper Gang bookmarkers for it. You know what I'm saying? Got the brain. I think that's pretty cool. And then the last one from this is just the Sniper Gang logo itself, which is just white, as you can see. Which I think that one's kind of cool too. My favorite one is the heart though. Alright, so that was one of the packages that we had. Got, of course, is the receipt. Alright, well, I guess they're giving out Glee stickers in every pack now, because that's 2 of them that we have now. Got a purple wristband. Yeah, they've been sending all the little stuff, like the wristbands and the stickers. They must have like restocked on them. We have a card for their new slides and their new slippers that they just came out with. I don't know if you guys can see that. Alright, and then the next thing we got is the Sniper Gang flag. I'm gonna bust this open real quick. I don't even know if you can see that in the camera or not. I got the Sniper Gang flag. I'm gonna be hanging it up behind me as my backdrop. Now, you know I had to get orange. Come on now, you know, orange be popping. They had orange, red, and black, and obviously I know everybody was gonna get the black and the red one, so I thought orange would be lit. Alright guys, so in today's video we copped the orange Sniper Gang flag, the Sniper Gang bookmarks, and with those 2 packages, we got 2 Glee stickers and 2 Sniper Gang wristbands. Alright guys, so that's pretty much all I got for you today. Make sure you guys hit that sub button if you're new here. Comment, like, and subscribe. Let me know if you guys are copying anything from Sniper Gang or pretty much any merch from any other rapper. Let your boy know down in the comments. Keep it 100 in the streets. Call whatever you want, but baby, just don't call the cops. Peace. Shit, I'm gonna wear this around my room like a cape.